Okay, the second step says the following data relate to a gas well owned by Southern Energy Incorporated. The amount of gas taken from the well is measured in million cubic feet. A depletion table is provided. Oops. Okay, so they give us the original cost, the estimated salvage value, the estimated million cubic feet of recoverable gas, and then they give us how much that's recovered each year. And then it says complete a table showing depletion expense calculated using the units of production method, round the depletion rate to the nearest cent. So if we go down to our last one, first we need to figure out the information that needs to go in here. So our original cost is $840,000. Our salvage value is $60,000. So we're going to subtract those two, and that's going to give us our total depletion. So $780,000. Okay. It does tell us the useful life is 800,000. Remember, MCF is going to stand for million cubic feet. So we need to then figure out then the depletion rate. So I'm going to take my estimated depletion divided by my useful life of 800,000, and that gives me a 0.98. I'm going to round, so that's 98 cents it will deplete for each million cubic foot. Okay, so my beginning value of year one is going to be 840,000, and then it tells me year one I have 42,000 that is recovered, so that would be 42,000 million cubic feet recovered. I'm going to take that number times my depletion rate of 0.98, and that means my annual depletion for that year is going to be 41,160. My ending book value then is 798,840. Year two, we had 52,000 recovered. So that times my, okay, sorry, I got interrupted there. Okay, so I'm going to take my 52,000 times my rate of 98 cents. So my annual depletion for year two is going to be 50,960. And then my ending book value will be 747,880. Okay, year three, we recovered 48,500. Take that times our rate. We get a depletion of 47,530. Our ending book value is 700,350. And last year, year four, we had recovered 56,400. So we have an annual depletion of $55,272. So our ending book value is going to be $645,078. Okay, so that is all we have for the 7-4 work together. I'm going to check my answer. And everything looks good. So you can now go on to your 7-4 on your own. That was the end of chapter 7. So after that, you will go on to your application problems.